is M. Tanuja. Today's news reading by 10th class. Today's importance. Birth anniversary of Henry Crowbunk, the father of modern PE teacher education. International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women. International news. NASA had detected a mysterious red sphere traveling in space at the unpredicted speed. Haile Gubbi volcano erupted for the first time in 10,000 years. Chinese leader Xi Jinping raised the sensitive issue of Taiwan in the phone conversation with US President Donald Trump. Saudi Arabia residents said that they have relaxed the ban on alcohol for selected foreign. Germany will lift resistance of military equipment exporters to the Israel from November 24. AP supports forces in Syria agreeing to ceasefire after capture the Syrian. Japan pushes ahead with development near Taiwan amid China's tensions. National news. Justice Surya Kant sworn in 53rd Chief Justice of India. India sends its first term of World Skills Asia 2025. Japan to join hand with ISRO on Chandrayaan 5. India Navy launches country's first indigenous anti-submarine welfare ship. India's sports minister has confirmed that the country is a bid to host the 2036 Olympic Games. State news. CM approves 10 members global experts team implement Arogya Andhra Health by 2047. AP to launch Aware mobile app with 42 features. Sports news. PM Modi congratulated the Indian women team winning the Kabaddi World Cup 2025. Patanjali Prashant Dhumal wins gold medal in women's 25 pistol category at the Olympics. Weather news. The meteorological department has said that there is possibility of scattered rains in the state in next 24 hours. Today's GK question. Who is the scientist who invented the computer? Answer Charles Babbage. Thank you.